We're back up here at Fast Lane Performance, and we're going to get a Driveshaft upgrade today. It is not the carbon fiber one, it's the aluminum one.
Mopar Mobility.
So as you guys already know, the RTs aren't really set up to handle the power and stuff with the drag radials on there. So right now I'm running 17-inch Mickey Thompson ET Streets, and hopefully maybe next year I'll upgrade to a bias ply type tire like a Hoosier or something like that. It's all still hot? Oh
It's warm. Yeah. Looks like you hit a bag or something.
no. Oh yeah.
So you got some new tires.
Yeah. Cause I had like real bad wheel hop and stuff like that. It really didn't fix it though.
Really?
Nah. But I don't lose traction at high speeds. Well, when I get closer to the finish line, it holds really well, but I still got like really bad wheel hop.
Sure, you don't.
So this stock drive shaft is way smaller in diameter than the aftermarket drive shaft. Can't really give you a reference, but that's my hand. And then look at this one.
I was like, wait, is she actually taking the force out there? No, you're wrong.
I can't even put my hand around it. Yeah, it seemed like the diameter is about almost double the
Yeah, I see a lot.
double the size. Oh yeah, and it's two pieces instead of one solid piece.
Right there.
You know why they do that?
I actually don't. I also don't know why they go down in size right here.
Yeah. Yeah, it gets like real narrow right
on
here.
Both sides. It's like that on both sides.
That's like nothing. Alright, so removing the mid pipes. Alright, so guys, we got the exhaust moved. Took the mid pipes out. And now we're removing the front end of the drive shaft. Alright. So once you unloosen the bottom side of the what are those, drive shaft bolts? What are you calling them?
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you gotta move the car so it'll expose the top side of it. If that makes sense. So yeah, these bolts right here were on the bottom. Now they're on the top, and now these are accessible. You want me to hold that in?
I gotta get a rubber hammer. This side always gets stuck though.
All right. That's how it always is, man. You always gotta have your hammer. Trust me, I know, man. It just sucks. Every job.
Yeah.
Alright, so this side is stuck in there a little bit. You gotta get every job I've ever done myself. It's just never like, unless your car is taken apart all the time and put back together and stuff like that. You'll always like just come into issues where the part just don't want to break, or you got to use a cheater bar or whatever. Well, my two favorite tools, a hammer and a pry bar.
Yeah. Yeah, there she goes.
Alright.
Wanna grab that side?
Alright. Alright. Wow.
Do a side by side comparison. How
That
much
is-
easier this is?
That is ridiculous. Look at that, folks.
So, just a quick question. How do you know if it's balanced? Like, or do it matter?
The drive shaft?
Yeah.
Sometimes they do pre-balance them. Depending, I don't know if this one is. I think usually it tells you on the paper, you know, it's not balanced.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm pretty
So
sure,
this is
I'm
like,
pretty sure these come balanced.
yeah. So it's like, it's just plug and play then.
Yeah.
All right, and there's no like specific.
The only thing that you might have to do,
Yeah.
it's in the instructions, is the exhaust. You might have to modify the exhaust so it doesn't hit.
Yeah.
Because it is a lot bigger though.
Right. Yeah. A whole
Like
lot.
right
bigger.
now, I think I might need to push this in just to make sure it doesn't hit. Yeah, never mind. It looks like it's clearing. Yeah, it clears.
Yeah.
But yeah, definitely the exhaust before I bolt it all down. I'll check fitment and all that.
Yeah.
But other than that, usually it's just direct, you know, bolt on.
Gotcha. Alright, I'm gonna get it. So yeah, we got everything bolted back in. And now he's about to use a torque wrench to make sure they torque down to spec. And that's pretty much it.
I'll put the e-brake on. Let's move this one.
Alright. What are you torquing them down to?
57 is what it calls for.
Okay. Yeah, just for the viewers. This thing, man, one day your grandkids might be watching this video or something.